Hi beautiful darling, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. It's your girl Gina and I'm back again with another video, guys. Now I promise you guys that of late I'm not going to do go slow again. So guys, I hope everybody is doing well. I'm also doing well and I'm also doing good by the grace of God. I promised you people that I will launch my business very soon. But for now, I have started selling wigs. I have wig caps. But the wig caps, some of them I made it by myself, and I have the wig braided hairs and a lot of things. Those of you who have my WhatsApp number can testify that I have started selling something. So guys, so right now I'm coming to fix a ribbon. I fixed one already, but I couldn't film it. Okay, I made it by myself. It's for sale, so just DM me on my Instagram page. First one I fixed, but I fixed another one and I sent it to a friend. But this one I just finished making it, so I made it by myself. So very soon I will launch my business, and it will be, the page will be, should I even say it? GINA'S zone. Yes, it will be a GINA'S zone. And let me brief you small on the business. That business or my page or my store is about, everything about ladies, everything about Ghana. If you are outside Ghana and you need things like shea butter, yam, anything that is legal that can be sent from Ghana to abroad, just DM me or go straight to GINA'S zone, or just call me or give me a WhatsApp number on 0541-824-085 and I'll be at your door. I have already delivered my first shopping, and I'm hoping that they will receive it peacefully. I will surely do video about that. So right now, that's what I do for living. So you are living outside Ghana and you need things from Ghana, or if you have a store outside Ghana and you need made in Ghana goods like dresses, materials, everything, like the way I said, if it's illegal for it to be sent abroad, just DM me. I can go to extra mile, find everything for you, honey, shea butter, everything, black soap. So guys, this is what I do for now. So just give me a call or DM me on my Instagram page at GINA'S Lifestyle and I'll be at your door. So right now, let me remove this one. I will surely come and explain things better details. I'm working on it, okay, but it's just a brief. So right now, let me remove this one, then I'll start preparing a new wig, okay, with you guys here. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned and be with me. Edit like this, okay, so that it will be easy for me whenever I want to comb it. Okay, so now I'm waiting for someone to order it. This is it. I have to get a stand, but for now I don't have it. I can choose to use glue, but glue is not that much secured for me. So for me, I prefer using thread. Yes, thread and then needle. And this one, the one I made, the first one, it doesn't have a closure, but this one, it has a closure. So when I get here, then I'll come and fix the closure. Yeah, I'll come and fix the closure because I know where it will be perfect for me to fix the closure. So right now, let's start sewing. Where's my scissors? Okay, my scissors is here. So let's start. This one is a water kills wig. I know it will come out perfectly and beautiful. So guys, so let's start. Okay. Start with me, then you start step by step. No big giddy, small. use this. After you place this one, let me tie the knot very well, because I want to use it back here. Then I'll cut this one so that it will not come out. Yes, so let me sew it. This one I have to take my time, you know, it's first one, and I tied it down, so I don't want to be rushing. No rush. I don't want to cut it. You see, I can choose to cut it here at the edge when I end it, but I don't want to cut it, so I will just take it this way. So it will be this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. So it's finished. Then I'll go for a new one. So let's start sewing it from the other side. I know, guys, like, it's not like I'm teaching how to do it. No, I'm not. Okay, just doing it, and I want you to know what I'm doing. Okay, yes, because if I want you to know it, I have to go details. But for this one, yeah, no, it's not like something like that. So guys, this is the end of the video, and now my week is done. I have done doing this week. Okay, so in case if you are interested and you need this in your closet, please just give me a call, 0541824081, and I do delivery worldwide. Always remember, no condition is permanent. So stay safe and bye guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video. Okay.